Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. What you're watching here, I'm going to trade Bitcoin and stocks and cryptocurrencies. I'm going to show you how I trade from my phone. I've been doing it for 3.5 years. You can see me make sometimes 100Ks, millions dollars in a day. You can join my students. There's 9,000 of you in the Telegram, 9,000 gurus in the guru chat. It's for free. The link is down below. Trade on Bybit. They give you a $30,000 bonus. That's where I do my trading on Bitcoin and Ethereum and alts. I'm going to show you some of that now, and I'm also going to show you tech stocks. Look at this sunset. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to market is quite even, flat, barely moving. MCRT down a bit, Tesla down in pre-market, wow, 3%, 2%, DeFi down 1.8%, Meta up a little bit in pre-market. Not such a good open for the markets. Bitcoin also coming down a little bit. Still bull flagging, still on this 4th to 5th wave. Bull flag playing out. Trade from earlier today is active now. It came down and activated this trade. It's already in profits. Anyone who took that trade, you're already in profits, which is beautiful. Look at that. Came down, touched the trade, activated it, and went back up. Beautiful. So that trade is now active. Stochastic turning up. It looks like it's bull flagging there on the stochastic. I'm still seeing a bull flag, and if we can make it bigger now it's moved a bit of a distance. Now it looks like this. Bullish pennant. Bull pennant. Look at that. Big one. Usually it moves the base of the pole, so this distance here. So this can break out. Target 33,000. You have 30,900 as a resistance. But that long is activated. I would set the same trade in case it pulls back again. I would set the same trade to take. And then when we zoom out, you can see this this bigger time frame trade. 33,000 is my target of this 5th wave, and you can see Bitcoin's been moving here since the beginning of the year. Volume predicts price, and as you can see, Bitcoin volume is quite strong here. And when we go to the weekly time frames, each candle represents 1 week. Look at this volume. Look how much volume is happening on Bitcoin. So if anyone's telling you people are not interested, this is the all-time high buying pressure on Bitcoin. For example, like last week, there was 1.2 million Bitcoin bought and sold. In the peak of the bull run, there was 234,000 Bitcoin bought and sold. So 5 times or 6 times the number of Bitcoin bought and sold opening trade. Like, it's much busier right now, actually, the crypto markets, than they were making you think it's in some massive bear market. But really, it's all-time high volume for Bitcoin trades. This is the trade setup, so that's the trade I would take, and this bigger trade setup going to that top of that white trend line. You can see Bitcoin bouncing here. The trade I would take in the short time frame is this one that I showed you, the same trade as earlier today, risking opening at 30,121, stop loss at 29,762, take profit at 33,265, and depending when it gets there, we can let it run. Risk to reward is 9 times. I never take a trade unless it's minimum 3 times risk to reward. Every $1,000 I risk, minimum $3,000 back. Every $100,000 I risk, minimum $300,000 back, or I don't take the trade. This is the trade, risking $358 to make $3,244. With 10x leverage, it'll be $32,000 of profits. 100x leverage, $320,000 of profits. Again, you can trade under the video. In the description, you can see all the links down below. Step 1, 2, 3. 1, to take the courses, learn how to set up your charts, trade like you're seeing me do. Join my tens of thousands of students. Trade on Bybit, $30,000 bonus. Step 2 and 3, join the free Telegram. There's 9,000 of you now in that Telegram discussing and trading together. My Bybit account, Bitcoin trade $352, Ethereum trade $1,400 in the profits. Where will I add more to this Bitcoin trade? I'm already in the trade here, but if it pulls back down to this support, this would be a nice point to get in. I'll put another 2 Bitcoin here at 27,292. So I'm going to add 27,292 for Bitcoin. Open long. So if 4 Bitcoin will be order cost, let's do 2 Bitcoin at 27,000. Oh, okay. Liquidation price will be 24. That would be a strong bounce there though. So okay, let's do 2 Bitcoin. It's because it's 9x leverage. Open. So that trade will activate at 27,000. Wait, open long. 2 Bitcoin at 27,292. That order is now set. 27,292 add 1 Bitcoin, and at 28,166 will add 1 Bitcoin. So it'll be 3 Bitcoin added there. In this account, I have 287,000, up 30,000 since last week. 3.5 Bitcoin 108,000, USDT 56,000, MCRT 37,000, Uniswap 26,000. Uniswap pumping again, 15% yesterday. BNB 13,000. I bought more of BNB. FXS 5.11,000. I'm going to buy another $1,000 of FXS because I think that will pump in the next bull run. Let's see my buy orders. So I've got Uniswap, FXS, Uniswap, Bitcoin. These are my buy orders going down, which is beautiful. Let's look at tech stocks now, because tech market, Tesla opening in pre-market down again, was at a very strong resistance, but it smashed through this resistance. It went straight through 226, went all the way up to 275 and came back down to 252. So now it's consolidating here, but it's just smashed through all this resistance between 205 and 255. Tesla smashed through. The big resistance is at 311. But this thing looks amazing. Look at the volume on Tesla. Again, volume, as I teach you in the crypto and stock courses, volume predicts price. Tesla's volume is all-time high. Again, like Bitcoin, even though they're telling you bear market, 162 million shares of Tesla were traded that day, for example, compared to the peak of the bull run in 2000. Or actually, no, the peak of the bull run was here, 2021. So in 2021, at Tesla's peak, 411 million shares were traded on the week of January 2022. Last week, 848 million shares were traded on Tesla. Again, volume predicts price. Big resistance here, but next up 312, which is beautiful. Again, you can learn all of this in the description down below. Sign up to Bybit for trading. I trade stocks on Charles Schwab. I teach you that in the Stock Guru Master Course. I trade on Bybit for derivatives, crypto, spot trades. You can learn all this in the courses and join the free Telegram. Talk to the 9,000 students. Everyone go in there, trade together, talk together, share your charts, share your opinions, learn together, study, take the courses, watch YouTube videos, read the book Technical, and all students, all gurus read the book Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets. But make sure you've taken the courses so you understand this book, because it's quite complex. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.